This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study using Cornell Notes. This powerful system helps organize your thoughts and improve retention. First, divide your paper into 3 distinct sections: a large main note-taking area, a smaller cue column on the left, and a summary section at the bottom. The cue column is typically about 2½ inches wide. This structure provides a clear framework for capturing and reviewing information effectively. While listening to a lecture or reading, focus on capturing the main ideas and key facts in the largest note-taking section. Don't try to write down every single word. Instead, use abbreviations, symbols, and short phrases to save time. It's also a good practice to leave some blank space between points. This allows you to add extra details or clarify information later, making your notes more comprehensive. The real power of Cornell Notes comes during review. Shortly after your lecture or reading, summarize the main points in the bottom summary section using your own words. Next, formulate questions in the cue column that your main notes answer. These questions act as powerful study prompts. Finally, cover the main notes and try to answer your cue questions using only the cues. This active recall strengthens your memory. Using the Cornell note-taking system significantly improves active learning and long-term information retention. It helps you organize complex topics into manageable sections, making review much more efficient. This structured approach encourages deeper engagement with the material, leading to a better understanding and improved recall during exams. For more study resources and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to look for the links and other deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.